Hi, so welcome back to class. So today we are on day 5 of our yin practice or our yin week. So today what you will need for class is definitely a couple of blocks. Use all of the supports that I give you in class, so a blanket and maybe a bolster. If you have none of those things, just grab some books, grab some pillows and a blanket and get yourself on your mat. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to this video because it really helps me to know what content to make for you guys. I'm missing my students so much since I've given up my studio, so this is really for you guys. So just make sure that you like and comment, subscribe, let me know what you want, and yeah, I'll make sure that I get it out there. Okay, so today what we're gonna do, we are gonna start out in butterfly pose. So grab your blanket, okay, and you can sit up and onto your blanket just to help prop the pelvis a little higher. And then we're going to take the soles of the feet together, and we want the soles of the feet a little further away from the groin than what we would traditionally do in a Baddha Konasana shape. All right, and from here we're just going to take a little gentle sway all the way down and forward. Okay, so we're just going to come into this gentle forward fold. Let the head fall, close your eyes, and let yourself settle down and in. Remember, you can support your body any way it needs, so don't be shy to prop yourself up with pillows and with bolsters and bricks and blocks. Just support your body. Make sure that you do feel something though. Always keeping in mind that with yin, we are looking for that Goldilocks position where it's not too hot, it's not too cold, it's perfect for us. So we feel a little bit of something happening, but not so much that we're going to scold ourselves, right? So just allow yourself to find that spot. Okay, slowly from here, just allow yourself to ease up. Tuck the pelvis under to release the hips off, draw the knees together, hands back behind you, and then feet hip distance or a bit wider, and then just come into windshield wipers. So just gently start to roll the hips side to side. And then come forward. Take your blanket away, and we're going to come into deer pose. So we're going to start with the right leg. So the left leg is going to go back behind you, and you might notice at this stage that you need to sit on something, all right? Especially if you feel quite tight around your ankle or the hip, or you feel some pinching happening there. The right leg is going to come forward, all right? Shin is parallel to the top edge of your mat. And then just take an inhale breath here. And as you exhale, just allow yourself to start to ease forward, okay? Now we still want to keep the weight back towards towards the pelvis. So we don't want all the weight coming forward into the front knee. So some of the weight stays back. What you might find is that you definitely need something underneath the right buttocks. So just don't be shy, just use it. all right? And then this is going to be our deer shape, all right? So what you can do is you can start to melt the upper body down and forward. But if you notice that you don't feel anything here around the right hip, you can start to reach that left leg back. Adjust the front foot accordingly, all right? And then let yourself settle. So it would go from a deer pose to a pigeon or a swan, essentially. Okay, start to ease yourself up. Okay, sit back. Now what I want you to do is I want you to bring that left knee forward and then reach the right leg forward and in front of you. And then start to just walk the hands back. All right, you might, again, still need to be sat on something. So now we've gone from this right hip work to the front left hip. Okay, so now we're having a little bit of action or stretch going in the front left hip flexor. If it feels super okay for you, you can come all the way down. You could use your bolster as a bit of support. If there's too much compression in the lower back, press down into that right foot, draw the tailbone under slightly, and then release. What you will feel is it's going to exaggerate that stretch because we've shifted the pelvis now. So now we are exaggerating that. And we're going to be here for a minute, so just enjoy. I'm going to come up onto my hands. Okay, starting to walk yourself all the way back up. Release the left leg off and come back into those windshield wipers. So just gently just ease the legs out, ease the hips out. All right, so we're going to go the other way. So Left shin, again, is just at the top edge of the mat. Right leg is going to go back. Okay, keeping the weight back the way even as you start to edge yourself forward. Coming into that deer pose, support underneath the hip as you need it. And don't be frightened to go towards swan if that is more of what you need. Okay, so if that works better for you. I'm going to stick with deer pose today. Okay, slowly again, start to ease your way back up. Right knee goes forward. Okay, so again, we're keeping the leg in that position, but now the knee is pointing forward. And then the left leg is going to reach away and the hands can come back. So this is first position, all right? Or you can place the left foot onto the floor, lift the pelvis, lengthen the tailbone down slightly, and then stay there. Okay, release that left leg and then release the right leg. Okay, and now I just want you to come into a forward fold. So we're just going to be here for a minute. Just allow yourself to settle again. And then slowly just come up to your seat. Take your legs into a cross-legged position. Sit on something. And I turn and face you. Okay. And then just take a little twist around to the right. Big breath in. Nice long exhale. And then inhale through the center. Exhale round to the left. Again, big breath in. Nice long exhale. And then just come back through the center. And just hands to knees. Roll the shoulders back. And just close your eyes. Just take a moment. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Enjoy the rest of your day. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Sula's just shook herself in front of the camera. Seamus just got a tail. But please make sure to like and subscribe and let me know of any other practices you would enjoy. Bye.